Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most fascinating aspects of nature and culinary delights. Today, we have a special treat for you all as we dive into the wonderful world of coriander. Join me as we unravel the secrets of this aromatic herb that has been enchanting taste buds for centuries. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we jump into the amazing benefits and culinary uses of coriander, let's get acquainted with this versatile herb. Coriander, also known as cilantro or Chinese parsley, is a herb that belongs to the Apiaceae family. It's believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region but is now widely cultivated all around the world. Coriander is a superstar in the kitchen, and for good reason. Its fresh, citrusy flavor adds a delightful twist to various dishes. From Indian curries to Mexican salsas, this herb is a must-have in many cuisines. The leaves, known as cilantro, are commonly used as a garnish or chopped up and mixed into salads, soups, and sauces. They provide a burst of refreshing flavor that enhances the overall taste of the dish. But that's not all. The seeds of the coriander plant are equally valuable. When ground, they transform into a warm, citrusy spice that complements savory and sweet dishes alike. It's an essential ingredient in curry powders and garam masala blends. Beyond its culinary prowess, coriander packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. It's a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to your diet. Did you know that coriander is believed to aid in digestion and promote gut health? Its natural components may help reduce bloating and ease indigestion. Additionally, coriander is considered to have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for various health conditions. Now, how about having a fresh supply of coriander right in your own backyard? Growing coriander at home is easier than you might think. All you need is a sunny spot, well-draining soil, and regular watering. Within weeks, you'll have your very own crop of fragrant coriander leaves to harvest. Let's wrap up our coriander journey with some fun facts you probably didn't know. Did you know that coriander seeds were found in ancient Egyptian tombs as far back as 3000 BC? It's truly a herb with a long and storied history. Also, the entire coriander plant is edible, from its leaves to the seeds and even the roots. Talk about maximizing the use of this fantastic herb. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of coriander with us. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey, this herb is sure to spice up your life. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and share it with your fellow foodies. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. Stay tuned and stay curious.